welcome to this week's new release video. This is going up Friday evening. I asked in the Facebook group last night if everybody would rather I hold off on new releases until tonight so that I could get another kit designed, or if they'd rather me put them up last night, and pretty much everybody voted for today, so I went ahead and held off. So these will be up on the website now. If you're seeing this video, they will be that special price of $12 for the base kits through Sunday, probably Monday morning. I generally am not awake late enough on Sunday night to take them down at midnight. But anyway, so I've got two new collections here, one new micro kit. This is actually like a reformat, and that's what I had in mind that I really wanted to do. So I'm gonna get started with it first. So this is a reformat of the July mystery kit from like 2 or 3 years ago. I was sitting down thinking, and I was like, I really want to do the July mystery kit in the all foil format because I think it would be absolutely beautiful. So I just called it July. And you guys can see it's florals and like this really deep wood. And I mean, this was really just a selfish thing because I want to use this week. But yeah, so that's what I really wanted to do and get this finished. So yeah, I love this kit. I've always loved this kit, and I wanted to bring it back in this format because I think that having the gold with like all of the pages foiled is just super, super pretty. And I'm really excited to use this. Here is your last sheet. So I'll kind of go over the format and then I'll just like flip through the next collection. So your last sheet here has got a weekly tracker, daily tracker, flags and arrows. You have got your washi, your foil date covers. Next is your headers. I did update the format, or I went back to the format that I had updated to with this as far as having all of the bows. You've got your washi, and then you've got some boxes down here at the bottom. Your next sheet here has got your boxes, your checklist, these scalloped labels, checklist here, and then appointment labels, and then this next sheet has got your full boxes. There is an option to purchase these plus an ombre heart checklist to make it more of a no white space kit. I don't have those printed or with me though, and then there will also be bow headers available if you are interested in that. So that is the first collection, and I can't wait. I'm gonna use this week, or this coming week, I guess I should say. So next is called Ice Cream, and this one took me a minute. I had to really play around with this one to kind of get it to where I wanted, but now I really love it. This is rose gold foil. I don't know if I mentioned that last one was gold foil, and this is just super fun and summery. I really love the watercolors. You've got some really cute ice cream and watermelon, some strawberries, popsicles. I thought this was just really super, super cute. So that is your full box sheet. I'm gonna go ahead and show it to you with your bottom washi sheet. This has got the watermelons as the strawberries. I love that. And then I also think the colors in this are super fun. So here are your other two sheets. I'm trying to keep this video short as well because YouTube is still giving me issues. And then we will have a micro kit available for ice cream as well. And that is this right here. So you've got two full boxes, date covers, boxes, headers, checklist, and then your second sheet has got checklist, weekly tracker, daily trackers. You've got some washi as well as some boxes. So yeah, all of this will be up in the shop right now if you are watching this video. And yeah, so the special price will be available on the base kits through probably Monday morning. And also I wanted to mention the bow scripts. If you guys remember those will be back up in the shop as well. So I know a lot of people have been waiting on those to come back, so they are available. Also, they won't be under new releases though, they'll just be under bow scripts. So yeah, I hope you guys love this week's new releases, and I will talk to you guys next time. Bye guys.